FASH. Bad days are over, I'm getting better. This is my consolation. No retreat, no surrender. It's a new era. It's my peace over chaos. All day, whenever. My life is confidential. Big ups to Philo. My goals are bigger. I see no limitation. I grind with pleasure. I'll give my whole life to see my homies bigger. All day, whenever. Oh, cause I know this for sure. If I rise and I fall and I fall and I fall and I fail, I'ma rise again. Cause every journey get destination, so I know follow, no they go my lane. So for the wins I receive and the losses I see, for this cause I give Jah my praise. I know they like me, I tell you my mind. If you're with the elegant empire, elegant thing, obviously you be relevant. I'm not overemphasizing, exaggerating. Little drops and we don't rise. I remember younger Fash anticipating for this moment in my life take over. Born to be greater, I try to make it major. Embrace the pressure. When I'm in my corner, I download instrumental. I'm not your greatest, but do it so much better. Oh, cause if I rise and I fall and I fall and I fall and I fail, I'ma rise again. Every journey get destination, so I know follow, no they go my lane. I know follow, over. I'm getting better. This is my consolation. No retreat, no surrender. It's a new era. It's my peace over chaos. All day, whenever. My life is getting better. Oh, if I rise and I fall and I fall and I fall and I fail, I'ma rise again. Every journey get destination, so I know follow, no they go my lane. For the wins that I see and the losses I face, for this cause I give Jah my praise. Oh, FASH.